Hi guys, there are two types of income. One is active income and another one is passive income. You are doing a job and getting paid monthly for that. It is an active income. You need to work on the job regularly to get the paycheck. If you don't work, you get nothing. But passive income is different. In passive income, you have to work only once and your work pays you consistently for years without having to do anything again. You have seen people selling online courses. They create the course once and they get paid every time someone enrolls in it. It is a powerful way of earning money. Today, I will tell you about one of the most effective passive income idea, that is selling an ebook, using which you can earn thousands of rupees if not in lakhs. Hello everyone, this is Bispajit and you are watching Startup Basket, a community for aspiring entrepreneurs and knowledge seekers. Please make sure you like the video and join our community by subscribing to the channel. Before discussing how you can earn money by selling ebook, let's first discuss what is an ebook. An ebook is a book but in digital format only. No paperback or hard copy will be made available. People can read ebooks instantly on their smartphones, laptop and other devices. With the digitalization of the world, people are reading more and more ebooks than ever. But why ebook and not paperback? Writing and publishing an ebook by yourself is very easy compared to paperback. In paperback, you will have to invest money to get the book printed or published. But you have to invest nothing to publish an ebook. If you are an expert at something, let it be marketing, sales, brand building, or even if you write stories and novels, you can write your ebook and sell it to your audience and new customers. The amount of passive income you can generate through an ebook is limitless. Not just for the sake of passive income, you can also write an ebook to build your brand. If you want to build your brand, having a book in your name will increase your brand value and you will easily get more clients. Or you can also convert your readers to hire you for their work if you are an expert in a particular field. Now let's discuss how you can write an ebook that sells. Let us assume you are good at personality development. You can pick a topic on personality development like how to overcome failure, how to develop self-confidence, etc. Now make an outlook of your book. Write down every topic you want to cover and also note down their subtopics in bullet points. Then you can start describing each topic in details and make each topic a chapter. You can also take inspiration from other books. Check their outline, writing style and presentation of each topic. Make sure that people get value from your book and they end up liking the book. Your readers should feel that the book was worth their money and time. Once you complete writing all the chapters, you can now combine them and format them well. Get the book edited by someone to check grammar and spellings before publishing it. After your book is completed, now get a book cover designed. You can design it yourself through Canva or other similar softwares, or even hire a freelancer to do the job. Your book cover matters a lot as it is the first impression of your product. Try to create an amazing book cover that results in more sales. Now let's discuss how to and where to sell an ebook. Now that your book and book cover is ready, upload it on various book selling platforms. I personally recommend Amazon Kindle for this because it is free to publish on Amazon Kindle and Amazon themselves will promote your book to many customers if you market it well initially. But there is a problem. Amazon takes 30% of your royalties. This means if your ebook is priced at 200 rupees, Amazon will take 60 rupees from it and give you the remaining 140 rupees. The only reason I am suggesting Amazon is that they promote your book to their existing readers, which may boost your organic book sale. You can also upload the ebook on Instamojo and run ad campaigns using Facebook. And now people can purchase the ebook and you will receive a good amount of passive income every month just by writing the ebook once. Many writers are earning decent passive income through ebooks only. Some of them are also doing this as a full-time career. And you will find almost every digital marketer, coach and entrepreneurs publishing their ebook and selling them on these platforms. Do let me know if this video was helpful for it or not. And also comment down on which topic should we make a video next. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video.